Good morning to one and all present over here. Me, Alisha, the president of this assembly, standing before you to introduce today's topic, which is very much important for this modern era. Guys, and the topic is land restoration, which means land revegetation. According to me, the whole earth is aware of this topic. Still, I would like to give a brief information about it. Land restoration refers to the process of halting degradation or rehabilitating degraded land, typically through activities like a land processes. It aims enhance biodiversity, restore ecosystem services and mitigate climatical change impact. Now I would like to invite China to give information about this topic.
Thank you, Ms. President, for inviting me. Hello everyone, I am Sadia Parveen from China. China is a country with vast land and abundant resources. Different regions have different resources, allocation, ecological problem management models and socio-economic needs. One solution cannot be applied in all the places, so we choose three different areas. The Try China project has developed three land restoration and are pilot areas aiming to explore and implement a localized, practical and FLR-based restoration methodology to ultimately expand to additions, cities and countries. Thank you.
Thank you, China, and have a good day ahead. Now it's the turn of India.
Thank you, Mr. President, for inviting me. Myself, Sheikh Muhammadin from India. Today's topic is land restoration. More than 700 million people of India currently depend on forest and agriculture for sustenance, mostly comprised of highly vulnerable groups such as tribals, women, small marginal farmers, and smallholders. Any threat to these forest and farmlands and their poses a risk to the dignified survival of this population. Land restoration secure both livelihoods, fulfill food, nutrition needs for the marginal farmers and forest dwelling communities. So we should plant more trees to restore the land.
Thank you, India, and have a great day ahead. Now come to UAE.
Thank you, Mr. President, for inviting me. Myself, MD Ali Usmani from UAE. Today I will talk about land restoration. Land restoration, which may include renaturalization or rebuilding, is the process of restoring land to a different or previous state with an intended purpose. That purpose can be a variety of things, such as what follows being safe for humans, plants, animals, stabilizing ecological communities, cleaning up pollution, creating novel ecosystems, or restoring the land to a historical condition. For example, how indigenous people manage the land and ecological destruction or degradation, to which the land restoration serves as an antidote, is usually the consequences of human influences, consequences or intended or unintended consequences. Thank you.
Thank you, UAE, and have a nice day. Now I would like to hear from Canada.
Thank you, Mr. President, for inviting me. I'm Afrin Khatun from Canada. Initial steps to be taken for land restoration. In order to increase the chances of landscape restoration, several key parameters need to be determined. A shared understanding of the restoration should be defined for the project. As there can be many different motivations for landscape restoration influenced by environmental ethics or personal ethics, opinions, priorities and economics. Thank you.
Thanks, Canada, and have a great day ahead. Moving towards South Africa.
Thank you, Mr. President. Myself, Silvers Rizain from South Africa. My topic is land restoration. Land restoration in South Africa is the promise of land restitution to empower the farm workers and reduce inequality. Climate variability and weather extremes are already having profoundly negative effects on South Africa's water quality and availability. Large-scale efforts to restore the degraded land are needed to adapt to to climate change, address biodiversity loss, and enhancing the resilience and livelihoods of poorer rural community. Overstocking with livestock over post 150 years, a key driver of land degradation. Thank you.
Great South Africa, and have a great day ahead. Now it's turn of New Zealand.
Thank you, Mr. President, for inviting me. Myself, Alaya Yasmin from New Zealand, and I'll be representing you the idea of land restoration. Land restoration aims to recreate, initiate, or accelerate the land that has been disturbed. Common disturbances are logging, intense grazing, fires, and floods. Because restoring may give the idea of replicating the land that has been disturbed or not has been disturbed previously. Restoring land are the scientific study that help repairing the land by human intervention. Thank you.
Thanks New Zealand, and have a great day ahead. Now it's the turn of France.
Thank you, Ms. President, for inviting me. Myself, Hanwa Parveen from France. So today's topic is land restoration. Desertification is a gradual degradation of soils in dryland, affecting their biological and economic potential. Today, more than 3.2 million people worldwide live on around 2 million hectares of land degraded. Moreover, 500 million people live in the land already affected by the land degradation. France has created global initiative and many more. Given the importance of land degradation issue for both the environment and social and economic potential, France adopted a strategic framework to combat desertification and land degradation worldwide for the period 2020-2030. Thank you.
Thank you France, and have a nice day ahead. Now let's hear from Russia.
Thank you, Ms. President, for inviting me. Myself, Athar Ali from Russia. I am presenting about land restoration. The increasing degradation of land resources in many parts of Russia manifested in numerous forms such as desertification, soil erosion, secondary salinization, waterlogging, and overgrazing. To name a few, considerably limits land productivity and the abilities land to provide ecosystem services. Swamping and erosions reflected in the biggest affected areas. Salinization process are most characteristic in the southern part of Volga Federal District. The major drivers degradation include climatic changes, unsustainable agricultural practices, industrial and mining activities, expansion of crop production to fragile and marginal areas. Thank you.
Thank you Russia, and have a great day ahead. Now I would like to conclude my intro by inviting the country USA. So this assembly is over to my sister. Please explain it.
Thank you, Ms. President, for inviting me. Good morning to one and all. Myself, Swaha from USA. So today I will talk about the topic land restoration. So nearly 1/4 of Earth's land is subjected due to land deforestation, which leads to USD 2 trillion per year for the countries. It reduces the land value of the land and forest, and to 2 billion hectares of land per year, and it also a major cause of global warming. So to reduce the land degradation, the objective of G2 Global Land Initiative is to prevent and reverse the land degradation by 50% till 2040. Thank you.
Thank you USA for your valuable words. Have a great day ahead. Thanks all for giving your precious time. Thank you, and have a nice day.